That's great, we'll just roll with that, just have my head off the table. What is up guys, the Glitched Flame, and today we're going to be doing our Titanfall 2 video. And we're going to be testing two guns again. Last video we did the two wingmen, and this video we're going to be doing the only two shotguns in the game. As you can see, we'll be doing the Mastiff, and we'll be doing the EVA-8 Auto. Now, as you can see, I've prepared both will be as close as they can. They don't have the same perks, but I don't know, I've used the Mastiff a couple of times before and I don't think it really needs it. And yeah, so we'll be rolling with Stim to boost and get some health and close the distance really fast, because you need to with these guns. Arc Grenade, which sort of acts as a stun grenade and other shooters to slow them down so they'll be easy to hit. And EVA-8, the guns will be fast regen, then kill report, and well, this doesn't really matter. And finally we will be using the Grand Theft City auto execution if we ever get a chance to. So we're just going to be playing some attrition to see what they do in a real environment. Well, as real as you can get within a game on a screen. But let's go. This isn't very good because you start it. It looks like I'm just going to have to go for a big flank. Funny because this is one of the maps we did in the last test, and we'll be rolling with the EVA auto to start with. Top spawn as well. First time in a while.
Pilot, make this.
Engage hyperdrive. So fast. So speedy. Oh! First kill. Ow, and first death. Pistol, come on, keep him back. Yes, I have regenerated the pistol. That is a kill marker you're seeing on the side because I really like it. There's distinct lack of enemies around here. Oh, and I sort of. If you could just not kill me after getting a kill, that would be great, because I'd like to get it better than one kill. Where you are? Did you escape? Oh! Had a small heart attack there. You can make this work, because the shotgun is pretty good, as you can see. You kind of used it quite well. Punch! There.
2 down, 6-4.
Cheeky football. Wait, did we drop in at the start of this match? I actually can't remember. Yes, the short term memory is pretty fair. Just come at me. Ugh. This devotion, these two devotion guys, I'm gonna have to go sort them out. This is yeah, Xbox One Colin. We just start camping and use a different gun, one that's not broken as crap. Farming points, like a MOBA almost, but this is nothing like a MOBA. They will never see it coming. Is that tight? Oh! How did you know I was coming from there? Commodore 64 drew out a poor Spanish accent from me. The 11 blade. When I try and start doing accents, you know what? That's nothing. God, could you not? Oh my god, this guy's gonna tilt me off the face of this earth. small robot, I big robot. I won. Get crushed. Oh. Spotted our prey in the distance. Preemptive. Execute. You should really know better. Oh, got a core as well. Right after using my core, I'll jump out because this is, after all, a shotgun review, not a Titan review. Just give me one excuse. Give me one excuse. Full Iron Man activate. Damage the Legion. Oh. Seba. You know what, fine. I killed the Legion. Did a force push. Just caught those bullets and I should really do some defense. That'd be so good. Oh, and a sentry. Should I know better? Absolutely. Do I? No? There.
Dominating like a true 6'4".
Yeah, because 6'4" people always win. Oh no! Oh no! Wow, he literally... The pilots do the kicking in this game. Not you grunts, I need to really put them in their places. Wow.
Come on, let's leave them in the dust.
Yeah. When you run on a straight line, 99 times out of 100 you're gonna get shot. This is basic FPS stuff here. I know, because me, I'm just such a professional at FPSs, I know everything, people can't touch me half the time. Let's see. Flank take 2. Come on, they've only got one Titan, there should be 5 pilots, right for the wagon. Oh no. This is going pretty poorly. Oh! Okay, you know what? Bravery. Oh, bravery. Plus stupidity equals a sad time. Make me feel good about myself. Yes, I best got you. Oh. Again, big Titan, big robot, big small robot.
Pilot, your Titan is standing by. Copy that. Stand by for Titanfall.
Oh, don't get too close to that. Nice work, buddy. I should really put in advance to check the list. I do appreciate your donations. Get back in your place. You don't do the picking in this game.
We're winning, but not by much. Let's show them 6'4".
Balls deep here. One robot. Fighting a Titan along with his friend. Friendly robot. Oh, I thought my other Titan was going to get the execution. That's okay. Not invisible to us pilots. I'll learn that someday. Oh.
Brilliant move, pilot. Now take it down.
I am just thieving these. Oh, and he just used his smoke.
Amazing work. Way to stick it out. You've earned that victory.
I'm getting out of here before I die. Time one die. Oh my god, like an angel with battlefield. I flew. Oh, I see you. I see ya. Oh, come on.
Stop them
get the execution. Oh, I can risk it. I'm so close to that he's not happening. Whoa. We actually finished top of the leaderboard. Claps all around. Well done. Good job, team. Oh, ask again later. Don't see how that has any relevance to this gun. Oh my god. We regenerated it. Now just slap that bad boy on there. And chuck this banana yellow paint job on here. Now. You know what, nah, I'm cool with my Blade Master. So, first game went exceptionally well. Died a few more times than I wanted, but that happens not every game I play. So now it's time for the Mastiff. It's time to reach in and connect with my inner canine if we are to see success with this gun. Good map for it as well. Billy, John, Sean, Janet, how are we all doing today? Very good. Coming off a little strong there, Janet, but I like where your heart's at. Let's do it. Now, I would normally have a sniper class and just aim down here, but I have, and I forgot to switch. Oh my god. I got this camera just before recording. It's called Fish Sticks. There's no tiny little fishes on it. Did you see that? Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh, target acquired. Target eliminated. But what? Oh, don't kill me, please. Grunts. Good shot. But what kind of dog was I barking like? I think it could have been some sort of spaniel, perhaps, you know, maybe a Springer. I love Springer Spaniels. Oh! Yeah, this weapon fires very differently from the normal shotgun. I mean, the bullets have quite a bit of travel time, and it has a very long horizontal spread, so it's good for farming away the AI, because they normally huddle about in groups, so in 2 shots you could probably take them out. Oh, I'm good. Bravery, take 2. He's dead. Hey buddy, what's up? Sorry you're dead though. Oh no. I always feel kind of bad shooting the AI, because I'm just so much more powerful than them. It's almost like bullying, but they're not. I remember they're not really a game for enjoyment. Oh fuck, I thought he was not. Oh. You know, I respect that. He's using the softball. Oh, I see ya. There. Punch that ankle. Oh! Don't! Go on, stop, please. Don't hurt me. Oh, there we go. See, when you judge the travel time just right. Oh no. Oh, I'm getting out of here. Dodge and weave and cover. Okay. Come out, mate. There we go.
That's what I call a streak.
Oh, how did I miss? How did that not kill him? Take the white. Go on. Friendly, I thought that was a bad guy being afraid sniping in the back. No hate on snipers. It takes a lot of skill to be a good sniper. arms, I jumped into the Iron Man beam of death. Oh, that's really poetic. I should write that down. Don't you know? I can't fight Titans. What? Oh!
Titan is ready, pilot. Standing by for your
Oh.
call.
Sorry about that. Come on. Mastiff, sniff them out. They're this way. Oh well, you're not. Arrow! Riff! No, it needed to be a bit more. That's why I lost. You know what, that's a good reason to say. What the? Do those things carry cluster bombs or something? You do that. Nice. Give me that battery. You don't deserve it. So clean. I'm gonna get out of here. Like a thief. Stole away in the night. Oh no. Oh no. Break it!
Hang in there.
Oh, right. The spurt of survival. Oh my goodness. Ah, lol. Can't even see. Are you angry? Ouch. Well, I'm a robot, so I don't feel pain, so that didn't actually matter at all. So he really won that. You don't even see. You don't even know. No, no, you got in my way. You got in my way.
Call it in any time.
Oh, no.
Your Titan is ready, pilot. We haven't lost yet. Let's show them what it's for.
Just whoop, left, right, left, right. Follow me.
Applying power to offensive systems.
I see some bad guys, but no longer. Stay alive, Iron. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on.
We didn't get the win. Let's get out of here, team. Bring it down, pilot.
Haha, I won. Oh, he sees me. No. Oh, the tail end of his leg wall caught me. You don't see that, but I was just saluting the ship that tried to save us but then blew up. Well, thank you for joining me on this latest weapon test, but before I end the video, I need to know a winner. And the winner is the EV8 Auto! EV8 Auto! Sorry, please don't hurt me, makers. Relax, I made a mistake! So, yes, I just did better with it. But, I don't know, I think there's something else to the Mastiff that I could be missing. Because those crispy headshots that you get, really satisfying. And obviously with this sexy camo, look at that. I mean, he doesn't have fish sticks. Well, again, thank you for joining me in this latest video. I don't have an intro yet, still, so I'm gonna go rate one and go like if you enjoyed them, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next episode.